Hi, and welcome to another Quick and Cute. We're going to start with these velvet bow candlesticks. I gathered candlestick holders in 3 different sizes. Then using some velvet ribbon, I tied a bow at the base of the candlestick holder. You can move your bow up and down depending on how you want it to lay. I like how it looks when it lays flat and hangs off the edge. Finally, I'm going to use this candlestick adhesive so that my candlesticks stay put. And there you have it, a really quick and simple Christmas decorative piece you can use this Christmas season. Next, we're going to make these button bow Christmas trees. I'm using this evergreen piece I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to trim a piece off so it will be my Christmas tree on my art piece. I'm going to begin by taking apart my picture frame. Then I'm going to trim down a piece of paper so that it will fit within the frame. Next, I'm going to hot glue my piece of greenery down to my piece of paper. I'm going to use this cute button bow for the top of my tree. Then I'm going to tie a few bows out of this gold ribbon and hot glue them to my tree. Finally, I'm going to put it all back together, and I have a cute little decorative piece I can put on my mantle. Next, we're going to make this simple velvet bow and bell garland. I began by measuring out 6 feet of velvet ribbon, and then I'm going to tie a slip knot onto both ends so I can easily hang it from any place I want to hang. Then I measure 18 inches of velvet ribbon and I attach it to a bell, and then I tie that bell to the 6-foot ribbon, and I try to space my bells about 6 inches to 8 inches apart. And there you have it, a really simple and quick bell garland. Our last project are these beaded bow ornaments. For this one, I'm going to use some craft wire I got from Hobby Lobby, some beads, and a little piece of ribbon. I begin by cutting a piece of 18 inches off of my wire. Then I take a bead and thread it to the bottom, and I wrap the wire around that bottom bead to keep it in place. Then I will thread my wire with my beads, leaving about an inch left at the end. Once I have finished threading my wire, I'm going to make a twist for my first loop, and then I will make a twist for my second loop. You want to make sure that you have extra space at the end of your wire because your beads will need to move to make space for the twist. When I am finished, I'm going to add beads to fill up the remainder of the wire and then wrap the wire around the end. Finally, I'm going to attach some velvet ribbon to hang my ornament with. And there you have it, a really cute and simple ornament. I hope you liked today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which one of these projects you like the most. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.